Good afternoon, Tigers. I'm atmospheric science student Ethan Bean here to give you your updated campus weather forecast. Right now, much of the viewing area is under a flash flood watch, and that is because we do expect that by the afternoon hours on Sunday, places like Columbia could be seeing almost 3 inches of rain, while places like St. Louis could be seeing almost 4.5 inches, and down in Springfield, almost 3.5 inches of rain. So a lot of rain is going to fall this Easter weekend. And what is going to help bring all this precipitation is the southerly winds that are associated with our current storm system that is approaching. A lot of our wind gusts right now are gusting out of the south or southwest at anywhere between 20 to 25 miles per hour at times today. But you can also notice by Kansas City and out in the state of Kansas that the winds are blowing in from the northwest. So there is a cold front that is almost draped across central Missouri right now. And that will be expected to move through later on this evening and into tonight. But look at these dew points right now. Dew points in the 60s, 61-degree dew point in Columbia, 63 dew point in St. Louis. So we do have a lot of moisture in the air. The air is very much saturated, which makes sense that we'll be getting a lot of rainfall this weekend. Right now, like I said earlier, that cold front is almost through central Missouri right now. It will push through later on this evening and into tonight. And there is some rain showers kind of ahead of the front, but there's something going on right now in the atmosphere that we like to call as the CAPE, which is a convective available potential energy. And that essentially is hindering a lot of kind of the severe storm formation that we do expect to happen later on this evening. At this point, kind of expecting some of that to initiate closer to St. Louis, kind of east of Columbia at this point as this cold front continues to push to the southeast. And over the next few hours, again, we're going to still be dry by 6 to 8 p.m., but come later on tonight, closer to midnight, too, those rain chances do start to ramp up. Chance of storms by 10 p.m. tonight, with some more moderate to heavy rain showers between 12 to 2 a.m. on Saturday morning as well. So taking you through Futurecast here by 10 p.m. on Friday, that cold front's already passed through Columbia and it's heading towards St. Louis, which looks like it will be bringing kind of a spotty line of showers and storms. Some of those could potentially be severe tonight. And this little green kind of oval shaped highlight that I have over here is kind of to represent kind of moisture pooling that's going to be occurring with the stationary front over the weekend. And that's why we're going to be seeing a lot of that rainfall. And it's going to be kind of training, which essentially is just raining over the same areas, just over and over again throughout the next couple of days here. And that's why we will be having those high rain totals as well. But we have another severe risk for Sunday. Starting at 5 a.m. on Sunday, that stationary front actually pushes north as a warm front. So we'll be back into the warm sector and it will bring some lighter rain showers. But really, by the later afternoon, evening hours on Sunday, we do expect some severe weather to occur as a line of storms will be pushing from west to east associated with this next storm system that will be pushing through on Sunday. But by the morning hours on Monday, that storm system's already pushed well to the north and east, and that cloud cover by the afternoon is already gone out of the area. So we should be seeing a mostly clear sky by Monday afternoon. Severe risk again for today is a level 2 out of 5 slight risk for severe weather. The main threats for tonight, however, are going to be large hail between 1 to 2 inches and high winds anywhere between 60 to 70 miles per hour. But the tornado and flooding chances are low at this time. As for Sunday, however, central and northeastern Missouri are under a level 3 enhanced risk for severe weather, and all severe weather hazards are expected for Sunday. That includes damaging winds, large hail, some isolated tornadoes as well. And then the rest are in a level 2 out of 5 slight risk, including Springfield and St. Louis, as those storms may weaken just a little bit as they continue east, but we'll still be keeping an eye on this as we get closer. As for your forecasted low tonight, 54 degrees, cloudy with thunderstorms possible overnight, especially as we get closer to midnight as well. Those winds will be switching out to the northeast later tonight as that cold front does move through. Looking at your 7 day forecast after Saturday with a cool high of 54 degrees. Easter is looking somewhat a little bit dry, still going to see some rain chances, but a high of 67 with our seasonal average high at 68. So we will be around seasonal highs for Sunday and Monday as well, with those clouds decreasing throughout the afternoon, morning hours. But we do quickly warm up again on Tuesday, 80 degrees, with Wednesday also reaching near 80. But we start to have another active weather pattern starting towards the end of next week and potentially into the weekend.